Good morning, third grade. Today's lesson is on related fractions and whole numbers. When might you use a fraction greater than 1 or a whole number? Steve ran 1 mile and Jenna 4/4 of a mile. Did Steve and Jenna run the same distance? Locate 1 and 4/4 on a number line. Shade 4 links of 1/4 and label the number line. Well, if you look close, 1, 2, 3, 4 fourths have been shaded. Draw a point at 1 and 4/4. Here is 4/4 and here is 1. Since the distance of 4/4 and 1 and at the same point, they are equal. So Steve and Jenna ran the same distance. Now, complete the number line, locate and draw points at 3, 6, 6, 6, and 1. Try this. 0, 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, and 6, 6. Are 3, 6, and 1 equal? Explain. Well, think. Do the distances at the end at the same point? Here's 3, 6 on the number line, and here's 6, 6. No. 3, 6 is halfway there. 6, 6 is at the end. Are 6, 6, and 1 equal? Do the distances end at the same point? Yes, 6, 6 ends here, and 1 ends here. So, 6, 6, and 1 are equal. Now, our Connect says the number of equal parts of the whole is divided into the denominator of a fraction. The number of parts being counted is the numerator. A fraction greater than 1 has a numerator greater than its denominator. Each shade is one whole. Write a whole number and a fraction greater than 1 for the parts that are shaded. There are 2 wholes. Each whole is divided into 4 equal parts, or fourths. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 equal parts shaded. There are 3 wholes. 1, 2, 3. Each whole is divided into 1 equal part, or you could say it's not divided. There are 3 equal parts shaded. Therefore, 3, 1, 2, 3, divided into 1, or only one section, 3 over 1 equals 3. 8 over 4 equals 2. Explain what each whole is divided into 1 equal part means into example B. It means each one is a whole, not divided. So each one of these is a whole and it's not divided. How do you divide a whole into 1 equal part? You don't divide a whole into 1 equal part. You leave it. Each shape is one whole. Write a whole number and a fraction greater than 1 for the parts that are shaded. 1, 2. there are 2 wholes. Each whole is divided into 8 equal parts. So 8 plus 8 equals 16. Each one is divided into 8, so that makes 2 whole. Use the number line to find whether the 2 numbers are equal. Write equal or not equal. 1/8 and 8/8. Well, here is 1/8 and here is 8/8. They are not equal. 8/8 and 1. There is 8/8 and there is 1. They are equal. Now the last one says 1 and 4/8. Here is 1, here is 4/8. They are not equal. Now, let's do a few of on your own. Use the number line to find whether the 2 numbers are equal. Write equal or not equal. 0/3. 0/3 is here. 1 is here. They are not equal. 1 and 2/3. 1 is here. 2/3 is here. They are not equal. 3/3 and 1. 3/3 and 1 are at the same point on the number line, so they are equal. Each shape is 1 whole. Write a fraction greater than 1 for the parts that are shaded. 1, 2, 3. 3 is our denominator because each one is broken up into 3 equal parts. Together there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts. 6 is our numerator and 3 is our denominator. On number 9, there is 1 whole. 1 is the bottom and it's broken up into 1. 1 is the top. So my fraction is 1/1. And 1/1 equals 1. Number 10 has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts in each whole. 6 is my denominator, but there are 6 here and 6 here and 6 here, which makes 18. So 18/6, which equals 3. Now, number 11 has 2 wholes, but they are not broken down. So each one has 1 section. So 1 is my denominator, and there are 2. 2 is my numerator. 2 1s equal 2. Now it says draw a model of the fraction or fraction greater than 1. Then write it as a whole number. Well, they wanted us to make 8/4. So I made a circle and divided it into 4. Then I made another circle and divided it into 4. So my bottom number is 4, and I've broken them up into fourths, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8/4 equal 2, and I have 2 wholes. My next picture is 6/6. I have drawn 1 circle and broken it up into 6 shaded areas. 6/6 equals 1. My next one is 5/1. I drew 5 circles. None of them are broken up. Each one is complete. 5 whole circles, all divided into 1. 1 goes into 5 times. Now, our problem solving says Jeff rode his bike around a bike trail that was 1/3 of a mile long. He rode the trail 9 times. Write a fraction greater than 1 for the distance. How many miles did Jeff ride? Well, 1/3 added together 9 times is 9/3. 3 goes into 9, 3 miles. Jeff rode 3 miles. Now, my right math says, what's the area? What's the error? Andrea drew the number line below, and she said that 9/8 and 1 were equal. Explain her error. Well, 8/8 equals 1, and that's there on the number line. And she put 1 at 9/8. 9/8 is 1/8 more than 8/8. Our test prep says each shape is one whole. Which fraction greater than 1 names the parts that are shaded? Well, each one is shaded into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts. But there are 4 of them all together, so I have 24 little parts. So 6 is my bottom number, the denominator, because that's how many it's broken into. But there are 24 of them. So my correct answer is B, 24/6. Okay, I will send the answer sheet later on today for section 8-6. Good luck and text me with your questions. Thank you.